guys. Today we're going to learn a perfect wedding song, Perfect for Wedding, which is called Perfect by Ed Sheeran. And we are going to learn the verse part. Let's begin. Okay, there are only 4 chords to learn. And the first chord is a C major. C, 2, 3. Then go to A minor 3. And down to F. Then up to G. Then we just repeat this. As you can see now this is the tips that I'm going to show you today. Is to just to play the chord with this G and C note for the first 3 chords. So this make a C major, a simple C major. This it sounds like A minor 7, F major at 2, and then G. That's it. And this is really easier if you follow this way. Alright, so let's go with the melody. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. That's it. That's for the verse. Now, step 2 is to make the melody, not the melody, but the chords, the rhythm of the chords more interesting. You can just make it like 4 beats instead of 4 counts all the way. So something like this. I found a love for me, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, lightly, 2, 3. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were just someone waiting for me. 'Cause we just kissed when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Okay, at this point, please take note, because normally it's just C, then an A minor 7. When you sing the time, it's supposed to be, normally is G, but just go 2 counts for 2 beats for the C chord, and the next 2 beats for G then. So again, it sounds like so let's start from the pre-chorus again. Waiting for me, we were just kissed when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Something like that. So then we just continue with the same. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I want, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Okay, so I'm not supposed to play the E. I just play it. So just keep playing this, okay? And try to avoid this, because when I sing with the F, the problem is when I sing with the F chord, eyes here, I use C chord, the problem is it will clash with that. But if you can bear with that, it's okay. Your eyes, so your eyes were, it's a little bit not nice. When you listen, it's clashing. So just avoid it. Holding my. So that's the basic reason why we just use these two. But if you understand the concept, you can actually add the E, except when you play F chord when melody is F note. Okay? So thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!